I don't like the way that nothing, and I mean nothing, has happened so far. Okay. So I think we need to find a key, 2 keys, but for that thing. Jesus Christ. Yeah, okay. So I think we need to find 2 keys. Okay. So is there something wrong with this? Okay. Ow!
Get over here right now.
Fuck. That. Like that. Like that. And you stay. I'm watching you. You thing. No, no! Release Mamita. Dude. Oh, what the fuck? Release. Ah! Ew, den knap. Ja, sæt dig den bøg. Ja. Come get me, bitch! Okay. Junge, what the fuck? Is this... Yeah, okay. Now we need to find the other key. Come on. Come on now. I don't have all day. I don't have all day. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Maybe it's under the bed. Okay, stay still. Maybe it's somewhere. Maybe the key isn't one of these. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, I'm so fucking smart. No, I actually am. Okay. Amazing. Ah! God. Okay. Okay. Sæt dig. 211651. 211651. Åh, den er åben. Fuck ja. Oh my god. Do I do. I do! After I think it's been 20 minutes and I'm finally gonna get the fuck out of this place. Oh my god. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more stupid shit.